Hello everybody, welcome back to the Teacher Kenneth Teaches You English show. I'm your host, Teacher Kenneth, and I'm going to teach you English. Today's topic is American slang. Okay, so we actually have 10 words that we're going to talk about today. What is slang? Slang is informal. We use it when we talk to friends and family, not professionally, so not at work. Unless you're very close to your coworkers, then maybe it's okay. We would use it in the case of family or friends. Family and friends. We don't want to use it in a business manner, not at work. We don't want to use it with work. We use it for friends and family. So we're going to talk about hot, chick, ex, and there are many versions of ex, ex-wife, ex-husband, ex-lover, ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, turn on and turn off, wingman, to hit on, to dump, to ask out, to cheat on, and to ghost. All of these words are related to relationships, somebody that you spend time with. For this lesson, we're really talking about romantic relationships. So boyfriend, girlfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, a partner. We're talking about meeting somebody for a romantic reason. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our first word, hot. You might think hot like, ow, you touch the stove, but no. Somebody who's very beautiful, sexy, attractive. Here's an example. Here's a hot girl, hot woman. Here's a hot guy. He looks fine to me, I guess. For our first sentence here, the woman at the restaurant was hot. So if you go out to eat at some nice restaurant with your friend, you see a woman, you say, wow, she's hot. She's really hot. It means she's very beautiful. Let's go to the next one. This guy or this man in my class is hot, but I'm scared to talk to him. The last example, check out that girl. See that girl over there? Check out that girl. She's really hot. These are 3 examples of how you can use the word hot. The next word of the day, chick, a girl or a young woman. It's not really nice. You would say woman, miss, ma'am, lady. Chick, some women may find it offensive. Not all women, but some might. So just be aware of that. Here is a chick or a young woman. Here's another one. This woman or chick is studying at the computer. She looks frustrated for some reason. The first sentence, I met a really nice chick yesterday. That's the same as saying I met a really nice lady. I met a really nice woman yesterday. Number 2, do you see that chick in the glasses? She's very beautiful. Or she looks angry. Why does she look angry? Number 3, some chick stole my seat at the cinema. That was my seat and she sat down. I went to get popcorn and when I came back, she was in my seat. Our third word of the day is ex. You say it just like the letter X, X-Y-Z, ex. A former partner, ex-wife, ex-husband, ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend. Somebody who you were with, but they left. They said goodbye. You break up, you cry. It's so sad. Let's take a look at some examples. She's crying because her ex maybe got married and she's so sad she misses him. Number 1, my ex just got married today. So you can see that's why she's crying. She's so sad, right? Yeah, that sucks. So we can see that she's crying because her ex-boyfriend is now married. And she misses him, okay? Or maybe she doesn't miss him. Maybe she's crying because he's happy and she doesn't want him to be happy. I don't know. Number 2, I can't stop thinking about my ex. You can't stop thinking. So you're like, oh, my ex-girlfriend, what is she doing? What is she doing? I can't get her out of my head. Number 3, I saw my ex-wife at the park today. So we were together before, we were married, but we broke up. And I saw my ex-wife at the park. Okay, so we have two words that are actually opposites. On, off. Turn on, turn off. So let's take a look at the description. To arouse, to attract, or to excite. This is something you're like, oh yeah, wow, very sexy. You're getting turned on. You get excited. Let's take a look at these pictures. So our first picture here is maybe a turn off, and the sweater is, oh, it's so sad. It's not a nice sweater, right? Maybe his grandma gave it to him. He loves his grandma, but that's why he looks upset or sad because he's wearing the shirt. Some people think muscles. Some women, some guys think muscles are very attractive if they're turned on. She's by big muscles. Hot. The first sentence: that shirt is a major turnoff. It's so ugly. Number 2, my boyfriend's muscles, his muscles, are a major turn on. They're very sexy. Wow. Number 3, I was turned on, but she won't stop talking about her ex. So now I'm turned off. If somebody keeps talking about their ex or something sad, it's like, oh, I don't care anymore. I don't care. Something that was a turn on can then be a turn off. Number 5 is wingman. A wingman is a man who helps you get a woman. So maybe if you go out to a club, a bar, a party, the grocery store, supermarket, wherever you're meeting somebody, maybe the beach or some trip, and you have your wingman, that's your friend who helps introduce you to a woman. Here are some beautiful women. Maybe they're at the restaurant or some club or party. This guy, he wants to go talk to them. Well, how can he talk to them? He needs a wingman. This is a wingman. He is a wingman to him. His friend is going to help him talk to the girls. He's going to help him get a girlfriend or get a date, go out with one of these girls. Because he's like, hey man, go look at the one with the brunette, the one with the brown hair. She's beautiful. Go talk to her. Here are some examples. If you're going out tonight, let me be your wingman. Number 2, you're my wingman. I need you to distract the other chicks. I added the word chicks. So you're my wingman. I need you to distract the other chicks or women. Number 3, that chick is hot. Remember, that's one of our words. That chick is hot. I'll be your wingman with this one. Number 6, hit on, to flirt, to make sexual advances. So like, hey, wow, you look beautiful. Wow, is it your first time here? You know, wow, look at you. Wow, you know, you're flirting with somebody. You're interested in them. This man it looks like he's interested in this girl and she's walking away. So maybe he's flirting with her. She's playing hard to get. It's kind of hard to tell, or maybe she's not interested, but he's got a smile here. So he's hitting on her or hitting on her. He's flirting with her. This guy at the beach kept hitting on me. He kept talking to me. Why? Well, he likes her. Hopefully he's not creepy. Number 2, every time I hit on my wife, she gets embarrassed. I think it's good to hit on your wife. Show your wife that you love her. Show her attention. Number 3, stop trying to hit on me. Stop. I have a boyfriend. So if somebody has a boyfriend, maybe you don't want to hit on them. Okay, number 7. So number 7 is a sad one. Number 7 is very, very sad. Dumped, or to dump somebody, to break up with, to leave a partner. I don't want to be with you anymore. I'm leaving. Goodbye. And they say, no, please come back. Don't leave me. No, I don't want to talk to you anymore. This girl here who just dumped her boyfriend, and now he's so sad, he's crying. Number 1, I feel terrible. My girlfriend just dumped me. So if you just got dumped, you feel bad. Nobody wants to be dumped or rejected. Another word for dumped is rejected. It means somebody like threw you away like the trash. Number 2, he was always angry. Like, he's always angry. He was always angry, so I dumped him. And number 3, my boyfriend just dumped me. I have a broken heart. I'm so sad. Number 8 is ask out, or to ask out, to ask for a date. Ask to become boyfriend or girlfriend. Here you have a man. He's like, hey, do you want to go out sometime? Would you like to eat dinner with me? Do you want to go to the cinema, the beach? Here's number 1. Hello, Janet. I wanted to ask you out for dinner. So he wants to go eat dinner with her. Maybe he'll take her to a pizza place, or it's for lobster. Maybe for coffee. It's pretty normal, I think, to go out for a date and get a coffee. Number 2, you're always staring at her, staring like this. You're always staring at her. You should ask her out. If you're always staring at somebody like that, somebody's going to notice. Don't be creepy. Number 3, go ask out that girl in English class. So your friend thinks, hey, you like that girl? She's really pretty. That chick is pretty. She's hot. Go ask her out. Number 9, cheat on. Cheat on. Make sure you pronounce your CH, right? Cheat on. If you don't know how to pronounce CH, you can watch my video on pronouncing 5 difficult sounds. Unfaithful. Intimate with someone who is not your partner. You don't want to do that. It's not good. Here you have a guy who's sad. Maybe he thinks his girlfriend is cheating on him with another guy. This guy just got back from a trip. He sees his girlfriend or wife with another guy. His girlfriend or wife is cheating on him. Number 1, I know she's cheating on me. I just don't know what to do. What can I do? What should I do? Number 2, don't cheat on your husband. You'll regret it forever. Number 3, I know you cheated on me. I saw you two together. I saw you. I know you cheated on me. I saw you two together. And our last one, not a nice thing to do, to ghost, or to ghost someone. Ghosting. He ghosted me. It means to ignore, to block, or delete without saying goodbye, right? Normally you say goodbye. To ghost means you don't say goodbye. You just disappear like a ghost. They're a ghost. They disappeared. They vanished. Maybe you delete somebody and you don't say anything. You're talking, and then you just don't say anything. You ghost them. Sentence 1 here. She ghosted me. I haven't heard back from her in 2 weeks. Number 2, don't ghost him. Just tell him you don't want to see him again. Number 3, if I don't like someone, I ghost them. This was a different style video. Let me know if you like this. If not, I can go back to drawing. If you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, share it, and give me feedback. Tell me what you'd like to see in the comments, and I'll make a video about it. Thank you very much. I will see you next time, okay? Take care. See you next time. Goodbye, everybody.